lift that tailgate so I can get that tag for you?
You been down there and get it, Hoss. I'm not doing your job for you.
Okay, well I need you to get off that tailgate for me.
How about it? No. How about you kiss my ass? How about that?
Okay. Stand up, put your arms behind your back for me.
For what?
Because you're delaying me from doing my job.
Delaying? How you can bend down to see that tag.
I'm asking you to step off the
you
tailgate so I can get the tag.
You bend down to see the tag. I ain't got to do nothing. You're not my daddy.
Okay.
All right, guys. There's a lot of wind out here. Hopefully this windsock does the job. I'm out here at FedEx Shipping Center in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Going to see if they respect their right to record out here in public. So there's going to be a lot of wind noise too. I'll go ahead and road noise too. I'll go ahead and apologize for that. See if they respect their right. This is NC Tire Hunter. Take this opportunity to tell you guys about my other two channels. Jeff is here live and Tyra Hunter News. How about checking those two channels out and subscribing and hit that notification bell. If you're not subscribed to NC Tyra Hunter, this would be a great opportunity to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads, new uploads, or when I go live. What?
Say good morning.
Yep.
Can I help you guys with something?
Did we ask for help?
No, I just, while you
All right,
videotaping.
then go back to work.
No, it's a private property.
It's private property where?
FedEx.
Yeah?
I need to know why you're here.
No, you don't.
Yeah?
You ain't my daddy. I don't talk to you. You're a stranger.
Okay.
My dad told me not to talk to strangers.
Okay. I was curious why you have cameras.
What do you usually do with cameras?
You film.
Yeah? Film, yeah?
Okay, what are you filming?
Okay. Huh?
What are you filming?
You right now.
Okay. May I ask why?
You can ask.
Okay.
I mean, I gotta tell you.
Okay. Alright.
Go back to work.
I am. Thank you.
Yep. That's how you do that. Alright, I'll get a video. We're good. And I just we're good. And yeah, go back to work. So, there's no conversation. Can't hear you.
What's going on? We got a report. Y'all got into a little verbal altercation with somebody here.
Nope.
Said they asked you to leave. You told me had exchanged some words with them.
Sure.
Sure or no?
What altercation? Does talking consider is considered?
Well, they said you had a verbal altercation.
Altercation?
There was some
I
cursing going
don't
back and
remember
forth.
no altercation.
Okay. What y'all doing out
We got a couple of cameras.
there? Well, I see that.
Yeah, then it should be self-explanatory.
Okay, so you don't want to explain to me what you're doing out here on their property?
No need.
Okay. Well, let me get with the guy that called, and if you're on their property and they want you to leave, you gotta leave. Alright?
First, they got to prove that it's their property.
Okay, so we're gonna go that route. I got you. Okay.
So we already know.
Okay. Can you lift that tailgate so I can get that tag for you?
You been down there and get it, Hoss. I'm not doing your job for you.
Okay, well I need you to get off that tailgate for me.
How about it? No. How about you kiss my ass? How about that?
Okay. Stand up, put your arms behind your back for me.
For what?
Because you're delaying me from doing my job.
Delaying? How you can bend down to see
I'm
that
asking you to
tag.
step off the
You
tailgate
bend
so I
down
can
to
get the
see
tag.
the tag. I ain't got to do nothing. You're not my daddy.
Okay, sir. I'm asking
Listen,
you nicely.
you can ask
Next time
all
I'm
you
gonna
want.
tell you that I'm gonna
Tell
make
me
you.
what? Did I got to move off my truck?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to
I
get
got to
the
move
tag.
off my truck.
I need you to
This is
lift up
my
the tailgate
property.
for me.
You can bend down there to get it. It's been done many times.
Okay.
Many
Like I said,
times.
step off the tailgate so I can get that tag.
Or what?
All right, come on.
Or what?
Come on.
What
Get up.
the fuck are you doing, man? Ow! You don't have to do all that.
Not holding it.
How am I instructing all you got to do is bend down to get it. You're gonna ask me to get off my truck.
3 times.
To get off my truck.
Yeah, give me
How's that gonna fly? You gotta use 2, boss. Hey, boss. You gotta use 2.
Whoa.
Dude, you're gonna break my fucking arm.
Go
Jesus Christ, man. All I said is all you got to do is bend down to get it.
Okay, now that's not all you said.
That's exactly what I said.
Okay.
It's on camera.
Well, it is on camera.
You got 4 of them right there.
Yep.
Ow! God!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ow! What the? He's got this right one so damn tight, dude. I can't. Oh my God! What are you doing, man? Loosen that right one up. I can't feel my fingers.
Walk with me.
Dude, are you serious? God dang.
So what's going on?
It's not
Nothing.
moving, dude.
Nothing?
We're on state
All you had
property
to do is
filming.
bend down,
Uh-huh.
like
Yeah,
everybody
that's all
else
we're
does.
doing.
Okay.
He,
I don't.
Freaking
I don't
killing
think
me,
he
dude.
realizes where the property lines
Ow!
are.
What the fuck are you doing? Ow!
Hold still,
I
hold
can't.
still.
My damn, my wrist is about to. Dude, I'm telling you, man.
I got a
What are
map
you
that shows the
doing?
property
Ow!
lines,
Ow!
Okay.
and the property line
Ow!
is about where that stop sign is.
Ow! Would you freaking stop? God dang it! Ow, mother. Oh, I can't.
Because I know the
Ow!
Still, you won't destroy
Yeah.
Ow!
Street.
God dang it!
And it's most people call it the easement, but it's not. It's
I need a
state
supervisor out here
property.
now. I need a supervisor.
Just whatever we can see. We want to make sure that our rights are protected under the First Amendment to film and public. If we violate it, then we may take civil action
Do you have any ID on you?
and
I
sue
need
the
a
city
supervisor.
I'm gonna put you in.
and FedEx.
He's still got
I've got
it so
2
tight.
attorneys.
Okay, I can get my finger on you.
Let's paid $2,500 to them Friday, and $1,000 to one a month ago.
Now you can do what I say first.
Yep.
That's how the law works, son.
Make sure that they
I'm not breaking the law.
understand
Okay,
that
like I
this
said,
is
you got any
public
idea?
property,
I'm not breaking
and
the
I've
law.
got the map to
I'm
prove it.
not, no search or seizure. I don't consent. I don't consent.
You need detained.
I don't consent.
Okay.
Which
He's
one?
legally detained.
You want us to do all that? By all means.
For nothing.
Hearing me
Because
is doing
it's
it.
got a lot easier.
You should do.
That's something.
Do you have any idea on this?
No. And we don't have to ID unless we have done something wrong in North Carolina.
I mean, we're here. We have the right to get your information.
You have to, what do you need it for?
Just so that we may contact you, that's it.
But
Nothing, you know.
that's not the law. The law is you have to suspect us of a crime or we've been arrested.
I get people's ID when they're not doing any crime.
I know, but I'm serious. You don't
Yeah.
really know that you don't have to ID in North Carolina?
Yes, unless you get pulled over.
All right.
Okay.
How's it going?
All right. So what's going on?
We're just out here filming First Amendment audit to prove our right, to see if the city will protect our right to film in public.
Okay.
And
Okay.
this is state property where we're standing,
Yeah.
and that's all we're doing.
Okay.
The officer,
Yeah, I was going to ask you what happened with that situation. I
I
don't
got it
know.
on video.
Uh-huh.
That's with me
Yeah.
was sitting on the trunk
Tailgate.
and on the tailgate,
Uh-huh.
and the officer didn't want to bend down to get the tag, so he told him to get off of the trunk so that he could raise it to see the tag without having to bend over, and that's all that happened. And what's your name?
I appreciate that. Corporate Ellis. Let me contact my boss.
All right.
All right, guys, right here, there's no audio, but I am talking to the other deputies, and the deputies came to me and pulled me to a side, and I still got the cuffs on right here, but they in front, and they really, really loose, and there's 2 pair. They come up to me telling me, hey, man, I just wanted you to know that we would not have treated you like that like Hernandez did. And it's Hernandez, his badge number is 9461. They wanted me to make sure they got me by myself to tell me they wouldn't have done me like that. So, and I appreciate them doing that. Now, is it true? I'm saying it is, because if it wasn't for these other two deputies, Hernandez would have probably slammed me to the ground. He would have left the cuffs on exactly like he put them on, and he put them on, and he squeezed both of them with both his hands to tighten them up so tight that I lost feeling in my arm and my fingers. And right here, when they walk away, I'm talking to Hernandez, telling him what kind of piece of shit he is, what kind of tyrant piece of shit he is, right? And he's telling me, don't talk to me. I'm like, dude, I done told you once, you're not my daddy. You don't have no control over me. I don't have to listen to you. So get that through your damn thick skull. You are not boss of me until I break the law. Now, he kept saying, he kept snickering at me. And I'm like, well, I'll tell you one thing that's going to happen too. These cuffs are coming off. And he snickered at me, you know, and then rolled his eyes, right? And I'm like, you just watch and see. And I said, you lucky, you're going to be very lucky if you still got your job in the next couple of days. And that whole time I'm telling him all that, here I am. I asked him if I could sit down too, and he said no. So the supervisor comes over there in a minute and tells him to take the cuffs off, and then I go over there and sit on the tailgate, and that's when I'll go live. But I just thought I'd throw some audio in here for you guys, let you know, because the audio didn't pick up because we probably, and right here my back's hurting, and my knees, I mean, you know, my feet, I usually don't stand up that long. That's why I park so close, because I'm disabled. I got to sit down on my tailgate. Anyway, so the supervisor comes over here in just a little bit and tells him to take the cuffs off, and that I can go get my stuff off of the hooded Tyra Hernandez's car. And that's when I go live. And I'll put the live in here in just a minute too, so you guys can hear a little bit of that. Thank you guys for all the support. I appreciate you guys. Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my other two channels. Jeff is here live and Tyrant Hunter News, and hit that bell. Thanks a lot, guys. I just got detained. I was just in handcuffs, guys. I was just in handcuffs. They just took me out of handcuffs. That guy right there, that guy getting in there, I forgot his name, but I'll get it. That's a freaking tyrant right there. Dude, look. Hang on. Look at that. Looks like everybody's leaving now. I didn't get none of them's name. Oh. Hang on. Hang on. I need everybody's name here. I need everybody's name.
Well, my name is Middlebrooks.
Middlebrooks?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the rest of them? I need everybody's name.
The supervisor's on their way with that. I got to go to this next call, sir.
All right. The guy's car is 1602. He's the tyrant. Well, hey, what was his name again? All right. I need your name before you leave.
Deputy Hernandez, 9461.
Hernandez 9461. You a tyrant, Hernandez. Straight up tyrant. You're gonna be exposed. Good luck keeping your job. Hope y'all got that. He's a straight up tyrant, dude. It's a Cumberland County Sheriff's Department. I'm not, y'all don't call the Sheriff's Department and complain about Hernandez. Don't do that. Look at here. Look.
You want to talk to my LT?
I really do. I really.
The only time he's going to talk to y'all, I'll turn off the cameras.
No, I can't do that.
Okay.
It's got to be. It's got to be on, dude. It's got to be a record of it.
And that's the only time he's going to talk to you.
I get that,
Okay.
but I'd still. I'll call in. Listen, all I want to do is complain.
I got you.
Right. All right. So.
See, he wants to tell you some things, but he can't.
Exactly. He wants to tell me, hey man, sorry about that. You know, I'll deal with it. He don't want to admit that his officer done wrong.
That's what he does want to admit, but
No,
not on
I'm
camera.
saying not on camera. Yeah. Y'all have an awesome day, and I love all you guys. And I'll see you next time. And always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.